what's up, y'all? Cousin Bree here, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I have a reason. Look where I'm standing, in my new place. So, I'm giving y'all an introduction to Unfurnished Apartment Tour. Okay, y'all? Look, long-awaited. I hope y'all enjoy. If you're new here, hey, hit the subscription button, notification bell, like, comment. Y'all don't know how many times I have to do that, but listen, do that for me, please. 1,000 subscribers, that's what I'm trying to hit. No, I'm going to hit it. Road to 1K, it's coming, okay? If you want to see your cousin Bree on your timeline consistently, because it's coming, hit that subscription button right now, okay? Listen, let me stop talking. I hope y'all enjoy this, because I'm so happy. We excited. Unfurnished apartment tour to the kitchen. Yeah, and look, that's the living room. That's the view, the living room right here. So yeah, and that over there, that's for upcoming haul video, y'all. It's coming right after this one, so watch out for that. But this is the kitchen. I love it. I love, oh shoot, look at this. Don't mind that, that's the trash right there, girl. So, this is the kitchen. I love the counter. I love the shelving and everything. Nobody's been in here. This place is brand new. Brand new place. This is my favorite part. This right here, look at this. We got a little bit of snacks. You know what I'm saying? Just an incy tiny bit. Other than that, we in air. Body can fit in there. You know what I'm saying? Whatever your preference, your baby can fit in there. Put your whole head in here if you want to. And don't, I ain't, you know, I said it. But don't take it to heart, y'all. But yeah, I love this. Very cute. Oh, these is good, y'all. Y'all gotta try these. Courtesy of mother. We're never too cheap for some noodles. But yeah. Built-in microwave. Do it, wait, like that. Little light. Oh shoot, what? Hold up. They go to like brand new oven. Hold up, how you do this? You can watch your food cook. You know what I'm saying? Fat people problems. I love this. Watch this. Look. Nobody been in here. Look, 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 look. Brand new. Papers. Okay. Cascade Platinum. Burnt on message. We're gonna use that. I guess, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna use it for it, y'all. We'll probably use it for like gatherings or something. I don't know. But it's the sink, the dope sink. It's cute, ain't it? You know, we got the disinfected Lush Lush refrigerator. It looks sexy, don't it? Like I said, you know, basically we're eating air, but we're gonna get it, okay? This right here, Boathouse Farms green goodness, y'all. That's good. So, we're gonna go to this side of the house. This is my bro side. I like this. I don't know what to put here, but I like this. Well, I feel like my butt's showing, y'all. Let me put down my tray. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. It's the bro room. Then, this right here is his bathroom. I always say this. Oh, shoot. His tub bigger than mine. And I'm going to keep saying it every time I come back here. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't that nice? Stop playing. Stop playing. Look. It's so nice. I love this right here. Both bathrooms got this. Look. Dove men. Boy, stay fresh. It's fuzz. It smells really good. But yeah, I like that. Oh shoot. Sorry, bro. This is the third room, y'all. This is the entertainment. No, this is the money making / creative room. That's what this is. It's cute. Nice little size. This one we're gonna be making videos, YouTube videos, Sway Air LLC, everything. This is the money making room. Money making room. Don't sleep. We about to go to over here, basically. So this right here, before you walk into my room, this is where the washer and dryer gonna be. And you know, put a little detergent, whatever you need to wash your clothes with up here. And now it's time to come to my room. So here's my room, y'all. Screenshot this real quick, y'all. How they used to do back then? How we used to do it on MySpace? What? But this is my room. This means a lot to me. If you knew my story, if you really knew me, you know, or know me, no, I'm gonna say no, but not knew me. Y'all know this really is important to me. All this right here. I love this place, y'all. Look at the floors. We have hardwood floors through the whole place, y'all. This is so nice. Then, let me show y'all something. Y'all see this? It's one closet, y'all. Isn't it cute? Look at this. Ooh, hold up. Ooh. Looks like this one. Let me not break that. Ooh. But yeah, y'all. It's a whole closet. Take a look right face. You know, it got a little bit of stuff in it. Not a lot, but I love it. So that's that. Then we're gonna show y'all my bathroom. Here we go. This is my bathroom. Woo! It's so pretty, like. Look, y'all. Cousins! So, you know, we got, you know, I thought this was so, let me show y'all what it is for real, though. Psych. The heck is this? Hold on, I didn't put it together. I don't know, but it's not sold. We'll figure it out later. Let me put it in there right. Let me not do this. You know what? Yup, just like that. So, you know, we got the bleach. Disinfectant wipes, courtesy of my mother. Don't mind this. This is from work. My speaker. My brother and cousin got it for me for Christmas. I love it. But yeah, then this. Ant got this in his bathroom too, but it's not on. He got this on his. Let me show y'all what this look like. If y'all don't know. Okay. It's like this. Oh, it's like, okay. Look at that. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? Okay, that's enough of that. I can't wait to decorate everything, y'all. I cannot wait. So follow me. Follow Cousin Bree real quick. Oh, hey, y'all. I'm just chilling in my new crib. Please do not give up. If you got goals, if you have, listen, y'all. Right here took a lot of willpower. We did what we had to do. We saved up that money. We got our new place. Listen, if y'all need a video on how to save, if y'all need a video on how to keep focused, please let me know. And if you have any anything big that's going to happen into your life, like maybe you're about to move into your new apartment, or you're about to go to college, or you're about to go to a pop-up shop event, or whatever the case may be, let Cousin Bree know what you're about to do. Put it down in the description box, my man. Listen, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Love y'all.